Your chicken are healthy. You are feeding them well, but you are still getting low egg. You might be making these 5 mistakes, and they are slightly killing your egg production. Mistake number 1. Let's start. Poor feeding time. If you feed at random time, production drop. So which means if you don't have timing, if you don't have a scheduled time to feed your egg, you feed your chicken. So which means, let me say in the morning, like for me, I feed my chicken 6 a.m. in the morning and 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So those are my time every day. Every day I keep to that timing. If you don't have that timing, the same time, same day, so you end up every time you have your chicken have always not giving you enough egg productions. So how do you fix it? The only thing that you need to fix it is feed your chicken at the same time every day. Don't change. The more you change, the more you cause your egg production to drop. So mistake number 2, not enough clean water. No water, no egg is equal to no egg. That is simple. This is how it works with these layers. So if they don't have water, they will not give you enough egg as you want. So how do you fix it? Make sure that your waters are clean. Make sure that you have water at all time. Check your water in the morning, in the afternoon. So the more water the chicken they will get, the more they will give you egg. So mistake number 3, poor lighting. Chicken need light to lay egg. If your chicken coop is dark, no lighting coming in, so that will cause also the egg production to drop, not getting enough productions. So how do you fix it? Make sure that your chicken get 14 to 16 hour light daily. If you build your chicken coop at a place where there is no sun coming in and it's always dark, make sure you put light in there so the chicken can get enough light. So the fourth mistake is dirty nest boxes. Dirty nest is equal to broken egg. Also will give you stress. So the more your chicken nest is dirty, the more you get the broken egg, and also your chicken are also stressed because chickens are not comfortable. If you know that yourself you are not comfortable to look at it, which means your chicken will not be comfortable to lay egg there. So how do you fix it? Make sure that your chicken nest is clean daily. Make sure that it's always always add the dry bedding. So if it is wet in there, the chicken will not be comfortable. The next mistake is overcrowding. Overcrowding is the biggest problem that some of the chicken will not lay egg. Too many chicken is equal to stress and fewer egg, because the chicken don't have enough space to move around. They don't have enough space, so it also cause stress, which also cause your chicken not to give you enough egg productions. So how do you fix it? Give your chicken enough space. If you overcrowded, separate them. Like for me, let me tell you for my own story what I did a few months ago. My chicken will not give me enough highest percentage, and I was asking myself what was the problem, and I figured out that my chicken was crowded. So what I did, I separate them, put them in a different. Right now I have 2 different chicken coop. So after I did that, my chicken started giving me a highest percentage. So it was like maybe it was about 80 something, and when I separate them, it went to 85, went to 95. You see, it was so good when I discovered that. So make sure that your chickens are not crowded, so for you to get a highest percentage of egg. So if you fix just one of these today, just imagine if you fix only one, you will see result. If you fix it of one of it. If you know that your chicken, they are not sick, there is nothing problem, check how many chicken do you put in your chicken coop. Are they at the right spaces? Is the spaces too small? If it is too small, do something. So my fellow farmers, this is the best thing. If this video help you, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.